This is not a normal camera. This is a 4K live streaming camera made for creators who want zero stress and maximum quality. No capture card, no complicated setup. Today, I'm unboxing and quickly reviewing the Hollyland VenusLiv Air. And I'll tell you honestly if this is worth it for creators in 2026. First of all, packaging, very clean, very professional. You already know this is not a toy. Inside the box, you have the camera unit, power cable, and accessories. I like this really. Simple, straight to the point. This is clearly built for creators who want to go live fast. Look at the design. It's compact, solid, and very studio friendly. This is something you can leave on your desk 24/7. Compact body, built for desk studio setup. Proper camera, not a webcam. This already feels more serious than most webcams and even some action cams. What is exactly VenusLiv? The VenusLiv Air is a 4K live streaming camera designed for YouTube Live, Facebook Live, online teaching, church streaming, podcast, and studio creators. And the biggest thing here, you don't need capture card. That alone saves your money and stress. Why this is good? Here's why I like this as a creator. You get clean HDMI streaming output, designed specially for live streaming, more control than webcam, better image quality, the most built-in laptop cameras. This is made for people who are tired for fighting settings every time you go live. Now let me be clear, this is not a cinema camera, this is not for vlogging outside. This is for studio, desktop, streaming, controlling lighting. You should consider to buy this if you are a YouTuber who does live streams, a content creator doing tutorials, a church or even streamer, a podcaster who wants clean 4K video. If you are doing outdoor vlogs, this is not for that. But if you are building a studio, this makes sense. I like a product that solves a problem, not create new ones. And this is one solves very real problem. Simple, reliable, high quality live streaming. For creators in 2026, this is a very smart tool if live content is part of your workflow. If this video helped you, hit the like button. If you're a creator who values what works, subscribe. I don't chase trends, I test real tools for real creators. I'm Rphy Samstill. See you in the next one.